Hey everybody, watching more Chainsaw Man. We got season 1, episodes 8 and 9. So let's get into it. Let's watch. Now we're seeing when they first arrived here. Yeah, the show's been making it a point to really like hammer home the fact that Denji is 16 years old. And I was talking to someone in the comments in the last video briefly about Denji and what's going on here with him. The fact that we have people essentially trying to take advantage and manipulate him because of his age, because of his lack of social skills. They know about his lack of education, his upbringing, all this stuff. He's easy to manipulate, right? And that's definitely coming into play more and more and becoming more and more obvious, I feel like. You know, he's essentially he's like a dog, you know, and if you flash the bone in front of him and give him what he wants, which he doesn't want much. The things he wants are pretty, in a way, kind of easily obtainable. He'll do what you say. But the problem is, Denji is, yes, he's young and easily manipulated, but boy, is he very powerful, which makes him, he essentially is a weapon that people are going to try to use. So that's why, like, you know, someone like Makima, like, I'm not 100% confident in trusting her because of, you know, what her position is and the things she asks him to do. You know? That was something I wanted to talk more about in the last video, but to be fair, I totally forgot to bring it up. That's a nice POV. And we're caught up from the previous episode. I like that they went for first person there. I do like that shot, though. That's a good shot. Interesting. I was going to say, that's so delayed. I was like, wait. I was about to say, was it something different from that she said than what he heard? It's like the way... But he's 16.
いい子
しちゃっていいのか
いい子
マキマさんとするはずだったファー
She's talking to him like he's like a kid. Like, good boy!
下も
Oh, jeez.
脱ぎましょうね
Don't pull that cord.
ポッケになんか入っちゃるよチュッパチャップス来たね
No. I was like, what is it? What is it?
空気そっか
Sorry, that cut to him just standing there.
スーパーで酔い薬買ってきちゃっ
That was nice of her.
そうみてえなファーストキスしちまいました
Sure did.
キスのたびに
Oh, yeah.
今の
He's
味を
got
思い出すのかな
the possibility of associating every kiss from now on with that moment. Very real possibility.
ファースト関節キスはチュッパチャップスのコーラ味だね
Here, direct kiss. Cola flavored though? Eh. Hit or miss for me.
悪いな
朝ごはん食べれる
Well, it's nice out there. It's a nice balcony.
私に乱暴なことされなかった
誰がゲロ女と厄介俺は初めて
There's a
マキ
bit.
ああよかった
Oh boy, I was gonna say, I hope she's relieved by this news.
逮捕
Yeah, exactly. Oh boy.
と思うんだけど
はあただ飯食えるのになんで帰るんだよ
This is Denji we're talking about here.
キマさんの性格がクソでも好き
クソ好き
I like the shit out of her. God.
私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげよ
Oh, okay.
うさんとくっつける協力するからさ私とアキ君くっつけてよ
They're both, they're gonna both be each other's wingmans.
あいつどこ好きなの
顔
His face.
あ
Very blunt. Very direct.
じゃあ今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて
Ah, look at that. Friendship has blossomed.
マジンちゃんとアキ君を連れてね
Bring the fiend in Aki. There's one thing I've noticed with this show, at least in the first 8 episodes, man. This is a show that's not afraid to have, like, a lot of downtime and having these character interactions, right? It's not just balls to the wall action nonstop. I like that it's very conversational. I mean, that could change for all I know in the remaining episodes. Oh, that was weird. Why? Here are a bunch of, like, unclipping and zippers. Oh. What? 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 Assassins? What? Excuse me? Did they just killed Makima? I'm having trouble accepting that they actually just killed her. So we'll see. Are they are they going after the whole team? Oh my god, it's just so like, this is like such like a mafia thing. No, no, not you, elderly person. Holy shit. Dude, they're going all Order 66. Uh-oh.
俺は普通にうめえけどな。
わしに気安く話しかけるな。
味のもんしか食べてないと大人になってバカ舌になる。
Oh, this is really interesting. I cannot wait to find out the why and the who.
わし幸福
I would imagine possibly her superiors.
俺のじいちゃんは世界一優しくてな。じゃんヤクザだったけど正義のヤクザでさ。としか殺したことないんだと。
They're just eating. Denji's the only one listening to him.
みんなに好かれた。江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。
Or is this a Yakuza thing?
デンジ、お前も好きだった。
Oh, okay.
宇の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Dude, this episode, man, especially with how it started. Nice power. Holy shit! This show, man, just like that, it just...
早川秋、私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。悪魔でもない。
Freaking Fox Devil, right? What? What? Oh, hi!
姫の先輩の血を止めてろ。
Sorry, I'm like, what is happening right now? Oh, shit. Two. Oh, damn. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at that. Dude. That imagery. Look at that. Holy shit. Wow.
早く医者に見せた方がいいの。
銃を使って
Yes, he did.
警察とデビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに。宇の悪魔はてめえの
Oh, yeah, that's true. They did talk about the gun ban.
呪いの悪魔。その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬ。
Huh. You are standing. That's just perfect.
どうして負けた？
油断した。マジで油断した。
Oh, I love the bass in his voice. Oh. He got him, didn't he? He moved so fast. Yeah. Shit. What the hell is this episode? Dude, he moved so fast. Like, you just knew he got him. I did like how they revealed that with the blood all over the sword.
助けて。無理じゃん。あいつの動き。
Dude, he was so fast.
嫌だ。あの女。
That girl is dreadful. The ghost won't even approach. Are we, like, legitimately losing these characters?
私の全部をあげるから。
Oh, no.
こう
したの全部使わせて。
She just made a big deal. Oh boy. Yeah, this is wild. Oh, so creepy. His hands.
アキ君は泣くことができる。
Ah! Oh my god, that's so off-putting.
デビルハン
Creepy that is.
でもアキ君はすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは
Like I said, she loves this guy. She'll do anything for him.
で泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな。
She gave up everything. Oh. Oh. Again, I can't get over the imagery on this show, man. It's so damn cool. Lost her arms. Shit.
死なないでね。
Oh my god, dude. The sacrifice, right?
泣いてほしいから。
丸飲み。
Holy. What?
帰れ。
Where? What the hell? Dude. This is nuts. And she's gone. She said, I'll give you everything. Oh. To finish the episode out with this breathing there at the end. Dude, when they went and shot Makima, I was not expecting that. Yeah, so hard to tell if this is like their superiors. Is this a Yakuza thing? Because the guy had the photo. You hear the gun devil's after your heart. I'm trying to get the sequence here because it happened so fast. You certainly put something outrageous in my mouth this time. Neither human nor devil. And then this fella popped out. And then obviously we talk about the fact that only like the police and devil hunters can have guns. Yeah, then because the cursed devil. Okay, so is this the first time we got a name to the devil that he made the deal with in regards to his sword? Because he used his sword 3 times. And like Himeno said, Himeno? I don't know. Himeno. She never wanted him to use that sword. So this was like definitely a last resort thing for him. And then this blonde woman. I can't recall if we've ever seen her before either. Really interesting. Sorry, like so much happened in so quickly. I wasn't picking up on a lot of what was going on. That's why I'm like really looking through here. Because what was it exactly happens again if he uses the sword for this cursed devil? Like I forget exactly what happens. I'm gonna look before I start the next episode because I can't remember for the life of me right now. Yeah, wow. That episode started off so innocent in a way, and then all of a sudden, all this shit just went down. So let's go to the next one. I've been kind of scrolling through that video too much to pick up on the stuff I missed there because I was trying to keep my attention on what was happening on the action, and I wasn't fully digesting the dialogue. But yeah, let's watch the next one. All right, I went back to episode 6 or whatever. And it shortens his lifespan. That's it. I definitely remember that now. So I'm guessing when he uses the sword, then I guess that pretty much that sword can kill anything. Then, hence the trade-off. I wonder if now, like, I don't know, like, she become a ghost now or something, or is she just gone, dead? She just gave up her whole life and existence to save him. I don't know how these things work.
目的はチェーンソーの心臓だ。追わなくていい。
Oh shit, it revved him up. It pulled the cord. Whatever was left of that, left there. Oh. And the fact that Denji looks very similar to him is interesting as well. They have very similar appearance. This episode starting completely different from the previous one. See what I mean? They got like similar things going on here on their heads and their necks. Oh, I like the face off. I never get tired of his maniacal laughing. I was gonna say, and credits.
こちら沢渡
Sabatari.
3階でチェーンソーと戦っている
Oh, I love it. You could hear them in the background. Oh, sound design is so damn good right now. He's sort of fighting someone like on par with him. Has very similar features to him. Just his is not. He just doesn't have chainsaws. Really interesting how similar they are. So I wonder what that's about. Oh, hello. Yeah, they were pawns. Oh. That underneath circle shot. Oh! He just he just dropped an elbow. Oh, you don't care about him. You don't care. He'll kill him himself. I was gonna say, he's about to move pretty quickly. Holy shit. I was gonna say, you definitely got him too. Oh! Start seeing him use him like a chainsaw. Oh, that's so cool. Meaning they can't win against guns. Obviously, guns are still very effective. Holy shit, man. I respect this. I respect this from a storytelling standpoint. That, you know, not... Wow. So I wonder if are they working for the Gun Devil, maybe. But I appreciate the fact that... I was gonna say, there's no way. They got me there for a second when they showed her again. I was like, there's no way she could be dead, because, like, again, there's something up with her, obviously. There are stakes like that that can happen on this show. I appreciate it. Nah, she's like I said, from day one that I met, that when we met Makima, I'm like, something's off. Something she makes me nervous. So apparently guns don't work on her. But we lost the whole team though. We had that nice hangout scene at the restaurant. Oh, she's keeping that on the down low. Holy shit, dude. She just put holes in them. Oh my god. The plot has thickened so much. My nose can't stop itching. It's pissing me off. 30 convicts with life sentences. Interesting. Yeah, you can't be walking around covered in blood like that, huh? I don't like this. I don't like the fact that she requested them. I don't know what that means. It looks like we've gone to like a remote location. Like, what did she say? Like high altitude or something? Right? This can't be good. Right? Right? Am I wrong to feel uneasy? I knew. Long recovery. How's this supposed to work? Oh. Something's off, yeah. Oh! Oh, she's even sweated.
C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させろ。
Interesting.
さっきから C 班との連絡が取れない。
Wait, is that her doing that? Apparently. Because we've seen the crows or the ravens, I don't know what kind of bird that is, before. Is she using them as her eyes? Because we've seen them around before. Why are they...
なんで俺たちも
Yeah, I was gonna say, why are you blindfolded?
界のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
Oh, these are part of her devil contracts?
三島修造と言いなさい。
Shuzo Mashima.
さっさとチェーンソー運べ。
Oh. Oh, you gone. Oh my god, she has become even more terrifying. Holy shit. Bro.
井上隆
I want to see what happened to the guy that... Is she using their... Like, are they dying too? These men? Yeah. I guess she needs, like, something physically in front of her, maybe. Like an exchange type of thing. Oh. Well, that's not gonna really help you, buddy. Shit, man. There's nothing left. Dude.
止まった。
You pissed off the wrong person. So, the fact that she needed... The convicts make sense then. Life sentences. They're
外し
expendable. Of course, she's smiling.
ここで私ができることは終わりました。
And she specifically asked for like a high altitude as well.
多分マキマのだ。
殺したんじゃなかったのかよ。
So I'm wondering how she was able to survive. Oh shit! They didn't get her. Oh, is she about to be a total badass right now? Oh, did he jump in front of her?
あなたたち
Yeah, what?
銃撃犯ですよね。
Dude, if she goes off right here, that's gonna be amazing. Holy shit, she's a total fucking badass. That's awesome, dude. The way they set this up, man. This is like a 2-3 episode setup. They completely mess with our expectations of her. With what happened in the hotel. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. That is awesome. I love that they did that. They made us feel... They made us think so, like, low of her. In terms of, like, what she can handle and everything. And then she just shows up and does that. That is... Love that.
殺そうとしてごめんね。
Don't get on her bad side. It's so sad, like all the friends are gone. They all been killed. Shit. Well, she showed us why she's here, right? I mean, granted, she was forced to do this, unfortunately.
私のせいで。
As she explained before.
もうダメだ。この仕事してたらおかしくなる。
I mean, for as skilled as she is, clearly it's...
先輩に会ったらやめるっていう。
Oh, you don't know. Unfortunately, like, mentally, this is definitely... I can see this is a job that would really screw with someone. It's really mess with your head. The stress of it, I'm sure. Oh,
岡君
you're alive.
生きててよかった。
So some survived.
1か2か3か4か以外はほとんど全員死にました。
Dude, that's wild. It was...
イカだけを狙った銃での襲撃。 10の悪魔が関わっ
I was gonna, like I said earlier, this has to be Gun Devil related.
2課3課は4課と合
So
併
everyone's getting merged.
公安隊馬さんの指揮下に置きます
Oh, she's the boss now. Commander Makima.
何
僕の辞表です
Oh, damn.
やめちゃうの
You're quitting, buddy. Why?
得意化がきな臭くなってきました
Hmm. Her smile always makes me nervous.
最後に教えてください
Can't tell if she's mad or not.
今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな
You quit? Holy shit.
今までありがとう
She's like, well, I can't share this with private citizens. Literally right there. That's a good question, though. Like, did she anticipate this? She had to anticipate this in some way. She always seems like she's one step ahead.
得意化に入るわけやないですからね。
残念
Oh my god.
東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに
What? Dude, these 2 episodes, wow. So much has happened, man. Everything's just been turned upside down. We finally got like a glimpse into exactly like what's going on with Makima. Granted, we still don't really know. At least I don't, clearly. But we got to see some shit she can do, man, and she's terrifying. So I the thing is, like, I don't know if Makima is a devil or not, or like a devil-human hybrid or not. Like, obviously her eyes make you feel like she can be, but of course she's got some contracts here. And the fact that she like as she needed bodies, like she needed people to be able to carry out her attack. Like maybe there was some kind of like conduit or something in order for her to actually physically attack people from like such a distance, you know what I mean? And like I said, it's not the first time we've seen those, you know, crows or ravens or whatever. Oh shit, my bad. I've been doing this a lot lately. I've been hitting my mic a lot lately. I'm not conscious of my surroundings. But man, good action too. And like Makima said, and I said it earlier, I was like, I wonder if this is Gun Devil related, you know? It's possible because they're getting closer to the Gun Devil. And like I said, you know, when they introduced, when they started talking about the Gun Devil a bit, like, you know, obviously they made it a point to say, like, you know, guns are barred, they're banned, only police and devil hunters have them. Well, these people had guns too. So we'll see. We're going to find out. I don't know if we're going to find out this season or not. But yeah, super cool stuff, man. Really great 2 episodes. So much happened. Like I said, they flipped the plot on its head. We lost some characters we knew. For all we know, we don't know if Himeno is actually like truly dead or not with what she did right there. She might exist in some other way. I don't know. But yeah, folks, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Stay tuned for the next 2 episodes of Chainsaw Man. So the next video will be 2 episodes, and then the final video will be the finale on its own. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, especially if you want to see more Chainsaw Man. There is like a movie coming out, I think, soon in a few months, and then there'll be a season 2. So we'll definitely continue the show on the channel. So yeah, folks, have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll see you for the next one. Bye.